Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can open a bank account for a Bank of America. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL bankofamerica.com. Once you get into the website, click on open account button. After that, you'll then have to scroll down and click on open account. So first thing you need to do is enter your zip code. And then you'll have to enter your personal information in order to create an account. Once you enter your zip code, you'll be headed to this page and it will ask you if you need a saving account. I'll select I only want a checking account and then click on go to application. So in order to create an account, you'll then have to enter your personal information. Start by entering your name, once you enter your name, you'll then have to enter your address. After you enter your address, you'll then have to enter your valid mobile number. So enter that. After you enter your mobile number, you'll then have to enter your email address. So do that. So in order to verify your email address, you'll then have to enter it again. After you enter your email address, it would ask if you are a citizen of USA or not. I'm gonna choose yes here, and then you'll have to enter your social security number. Once you finish entering your social security number, it would ask you if you have a dual citizenship or no. I'm gonna choose no here. And then it would ask your country of residence. I'm gonna choose USA here. And then you'll have to enter your date of birth. After that, you'll then have to enter your source of income. Once you do that, you'll then be asked if you are a student or not. I'm gonna choose no here. And then you can choose to add a co-applicant. I'm not gonna do that. So after you fill in all your information, click on continue and you'll be headed to the further processes where you'll need to enter more information about yourself. And once you enter all the information, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you open a bank account for the Bank of America. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.